Hey guys, good afternoon. It's 9:45 and I'm about to go to bed because I have school tomorrow and I have to get up earlier to go to class and everything. But today's been another lazy day. But this morning my dad did get the hot water heater working, and I was able to get a shower this morning. I didn't have to use a water from a water bottle to brush my teeth and everything like I did last night. But Tristan did come over. We ended up watching one of the movies my dad rented, and it was pretty good. We watched the live action Aladdin, and I kept singing the song "A Whole New World" to him because he didn't know the lyrics. It was really funny. Other than that, oh yeah, we've almost finished the third season of Riverdale. He has one more episode to watch, and we'll probably finish that tomorrow. And then I have to get him caught up on the new season of Supernatural that is currently airing. So yeah. I'm gonna go now and get my sleep, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Please. Good afternoon. It's time for the comment portion of the video. There isn't any comments today, but today's wonderful question of the day is, tell me who one, or it could be the one favorite person in your life is. Tristan would probably be my favorite person. Not probably, but absolutely would be my favorite person. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.